What are the different types of wildlife management techniques?
Welcome to our informative video session on wildlife management techniques. Wildlife management is the process of keeping wild species and their habitats in a state that's beneficial to both the wildlife and humans. This complex science involves many different techniques, and today we'll dive into those various methods. We'll learn how these different wildlife management techniques help to conserve, preserve, and protect our precious wildlife resources.
What is direct management?
The first technique we will cover is direct management. Direct management involves taking tangible actions to impact wildlife populations. This can be either by boosting numbers of threatened species, or by controlling the populations of species that are in excess. Relocation is a common form of direct management. This may involve moving animals to a new habitat when their existing habitat has become uninhabitable or too crowded. Another direct management technique is breeding programs, often used for endangered species. Wildlife management professionals might breed animals in captivity and then release them into the wild to increase their populations.
What is indirect management?
The second technique is indirect management, where the focus is not on the animals themselves, but on their environment. The goal here is to modify or conserve habitats to benefit the wildlife living in them. For example, a technique might involve habitat restoration. This could mean replanting forests, restoring wetlands, or re-establishing other types of natural habitats that have been destroyed or damaged. Creating artificial habitats is another method, where structures like nesting boxes or underwater reefs are made to support wildlife populations.
What is legal and policy management?
Lastly, let's discuss legal and policy management. This involves creating laws and regulations to protect wildlife and their habitats. This might involve the implementation of hunting and fishing regulations, which can help control certain animal populations and prevent overexploitation. Additionally, establishing protected areas like national parks or wildlife reserves, where human activity is limited or controlled, is another critical technique. In conclusion, there's a diverse array of techniques involved in wildlife management. These include direct management like relocation and breeding programs, indirect management through habitat restoration and creation, and legal and policy management such as hunting regulations and protected areas. By using a combination of these methods, wildlife managers can work towards preserving biodiversity, protecting endangered species, and maintaining a balance between wildlife and human needs. We hope you found this video informative and that it gave you a deeper understanding of the important work that goes into wildlife management. Thanks for watching.